Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review, written by one of our valued customers. After reading this ourselves, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. We strive to give and provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why our customers write these amazing reviews about us. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. Hope to see you soon!